As we come in the front door, the existing tile in the entry and foyer is going to be removed with wood floor and tile inset. The existing stairway is to remain, but be refinished and recarpeted with a runner. The majority of the woodwork on the main floor is going to be saved and reused, touched up and refinished. This library is going to be turned into a mudroom with a tile floor, built-in cabinets, and all new windows. The living room is going to be getting a tray ceiling with uplighting. New fireplace, wood burning insert will be installed in the existing fireplace. Custom cabinetry around the fireplace, and a space for a TV above. New Marvin patio doors to the backyard. This existing door will be staying. Carpet will be removed and the existing hardwood refinished. This dining room